Hi guys, today video we're making healthy honey bunches of oats. This video is for busy mom like me that want their kids to eat healthy under 5 minutes. Under 5 minutes. So today we're making honey bunches of oats but in a healthy way. So here you could see me pour the honey bunch. I just measured 2 cups of honey bunch and I'm pouring it in a blending cup. So after pouring this honey bunch in a blending cup, I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna put in my milk and blend it till soft. So we're pouring in our milk in the honey bunch. Today recipe we're gonna be using 2 cups of milk for this recipe. 2 cups of milk for this recipe, and I just poured the second measuring cup in the honey bunch, ready to be blended. So cover the cup, cover it tight enough, and as you could see, I'm blending the honey bunch and the milk together, and I'm gonna blend it until it's smooth, until it's soft, until I have a very smooth paste that is soft and consistent in texture. So I'm still blending a honey bunch. We're gonna make sure we blend it very well. When I say very well, I mean very well, so we don't have any texture that is not smooth. We want it totally smooth, the kids, so they could enjoy it. So after blending the honey bunch, we pour it in a bowl. At this point, I just finished blending our honey bunch, and as you could see, it's very, very soft. It's very, very smooth. It has a nice texture that the kids could enjoy. If you've watched up until this moment, I want you to subscribe to my channel. This is Juliana Cooking Channel. Subscribe to this channel. Give this channel a thumbs up. I want you to hit the notification button so that whenever I upload any video, you will definitely be the first to receive notification about this video. Share this video to as many people as you could. And you just see, I just added our fruits together with the honey bunch. This is definitely healthy. This is good looking. The kids will never resist this, I tell you. And apparently I'm testing the honey bunch, and it tastes good. I tell you guys, it tastes very, very good. I want you to try this at home. Your kids will definitely enjoy it. They will like it. So guys, this is our healthy honey bunch recipe. Once again, leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what other food you want me to make. Bye for now.